Hey Jess, do you know where that logo for Riverside Golf Club is?
Is it not in the customer folder on D drive?
D drive? I looked and couldn't find it.
Then maybe it's on the old F drive?
F drive? I thought we transferred all those designs over. I don't think we even have a backup of that anymore.
Then, I don't know.
This is a disaster. We need to get this job out today.
Sound familiar? You're not alone. Every day, embroidery businesses lose valuable time searching for designs, slowing production and stopping machines in their tracks. There's a better way. Meet WilcomWorkspace Library, a secure, cloud-based embroidery design management system built for embroidery teams. Access your designs anytime, anywhere. Organize your designs your way with titles, customers, status, and decoration areas. Plus, categorize them with tags. Or let Wilcom Intelligence AI do it for you. Find any design in seconds. View details instantly. Print production worksheets or export stitch files, ready to run on your embroidery machine. Multi-user access means your whole team stays connected on any device from anywhere. And with everything safely stored in the cloud, your designs are protected from the unexpected. WilcomWorkspace Library, your embroidery designs, organized, production ready.